Hello, Paul here from EMD Automotive. Just want to show you what I'm up to on this 996. I just finished putting the oil cooler on with new gaskets. I had to get order a new gasket in. There's the old one, pretty bad. I got new ones in there, torqued up already. Got the hose on. Just installed the oil separator here. This one here. If you look at the old one, the seal wasn't in properly from before. You can see there. If you look at my one right there, you can't really put all the whole seal in, but you can actually push it in. So when you push it in, see that part there, when you push it in, you got to actually move it back and forth and at the same time push it in, otherwise you can actually end up with a seal like that. All right, so you need to go very slow. And then the new bolts are torqued up already here, marked in yellow. The Scavenge pump's back on, so this is the pump. I just finished installing the pump for the actual for bank 1. I'll do a full engine degrease when I finish, but for now leave that for now. So this is the new pump. Just finished cleaning the pump. If you're wondering how the pump looked like from before, this is the old pump. So that's bank 2. So now I'm going to install the coils, spark plug and the ignition coils back onto the actual bank 1, which is this one here. I've got the new spark plug tubes in already installed. Reseal the whole cam cover bank 1 and bank 2, and I'm gonna get some new seal for this one here as well. Yeah, and some new seal for this one here, end caps coming. All right, so I'm just trying to finish all this part here. Then I'm gonna put the new, I'll take all my tool out. This one here, take the tensioner tool out, and then the customer gave me a new top tensioner for the chain to replace it. I usually recommend to people to change the top one because that's the one that's very hard to get to. The 2 bottom ones you can always do it next time. Yeah, but I'm getting very close, so hopefully I can get that breather pipe soon this week or tomorrow or maybe Thursday, so I can put that pipe in, because it goes in like that. It goes here, goes around here as well, that part there. It comes down to this side here. So that's got to go on first before I put the intake manifold on. If you look at the other one, someone put a hose clamp in there. Don't use the hose clamp on this oil separator. That's why I left this one off. That one there, I left it off because I'm getting a new clamp, a proper clamp like this one for it. All right. So, and some new clamp. I'm getting some new clamp as well. Don't use these ones here because they crush the hose and they start leaking. Don't use the hose clamp. See how they crush the hose there? Look closely. They crush and then crimp the hose, and then they end up leaking. So I use the factory one like this ones here, are much better. Alright, so I'm getting new clamps from factory clamps for these ones and other ones as well, and then we'll go from there. Okay, thanks for watching and please subscribe.